of Soul Tornado Group, which includes Jaden,
Alex,
Eddie,
and Riley.
The causes of a tornado. Tornadoes come from thunderstorms. The worse the storm, the worse the tornado. Tornadoes begin as wind moving opposite of each other, and when this happens, it creates a horizontal spinning effect. When humid air goes up because a thunderstorm is being made, this is called an updraft. At the center of a tornado, the winds are very strong. Some tornadoes spin at 300 miles or 480 kilometers.
tornado effects. A tornado is so strong that it can turn a school into pieces. When a tornado goes over lakes/rivers, they pick up animals, causing them to come back down like the animals are rain. Very rarely, tornado speed goes up to 200 miles per hour, but if that speed, the tornado can lift a house up out of its place. I can't believe that a spinning object can turn a brick school into pieces.
tornado stories. It started on a hot, humid day. Hailstorms and thunderstorms were everywhere. A farmer named Sam Flower was riding his horse in the woods, suddenly got sucked up in the air and threw down to the ground. Then a big branch fell on him, and he was dead. A couple weeks later, his body was found by his family. There was a tornado that sucked up 45,000 ducks into the sky and rained them down to the ground.
Oh, it's raining cats and dogs.
Safety tips. If you need to stay safe during a tornado, follow these safety tips. Number 1, practice with your family. On a day without a tornado, practice with your family the entire day so you know what to do with a tornado. Number 2, get inside. It's not safe to be in a vehicle or outside if a tornado is coming. Find underground shelter quick! Number 3, get away from windows. Stay away from windows, outside walls, corners, and doors when a tornado is coming. Remember, if you live in Tornado Alley, stay safe and stay underground. Peace out.